Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make denim stud earrings. For that I am using these steel studs, and this is the push. You can easily get this from the market, and using this sunboard as a base, and I am going to glue this studs to this paper. Cut the paperboard in whatever size you like. I have for simplicity I have taken a circular shape using this glue. This is also easily available in the market, and I have glued the stud with the paper. Now I'm doing is cutting a larger circle from this denim fabric. I will be cutting out 4 circles, 2 circles for each earring, 4 for the pair. First I am using this one color denim. So this is the back of the earring. Then I am using some fabric glue upon it and glue the front portion of the earring of the denim fabric to the paper. So we have two earrings. Then neatly cut out around the circle, cut out the excess denim, and then I'm going to stick one darker colored denim, darker shade of denim in the front portion. After this, what I'm going to do is use a 3D outliner or puff paint to draw on that earring stud earring, the denim portion. Now I'm making some danglers using wooden beads and brass wire. I'm using 3 wooden beads for each dangler. This is how you make the first one. It's very simple, 2 loops on each end and 3 wooden beads. Very simple form. So I'm going to make like 10 of these type of danglers. Then what I'm going to do is draw with the 3D outliner or puff paint. Now here you can be creative and use other colors. So many color available in the market of puff paint: gold, silver, brass, copper. So many shades are available, and neon colors also for puff paints. Also all the color shades are available. If you have white denim, you can use black puff paint on it to pop. So after drying this earring in hot areas, the puff paint dries in about 1 hour. So we have now hot and humid climate, and this puff paint easily dries. Now I'm using some gold jump rings to put the danglers on this earring. I'm attaching all the more than 10, I guess, here on this earring. For each dangler, 1 jump ring for each dangler. It is one of the easiest earring to make. You just need some wooden beads, some ear studs and push. You can buy them in the market, and some wire. That's it. You don't need much for this simple earring. It looks very elegant. Looks so pretty, and you can wear it with so many different color clothes. So earring is ready to wear. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this earring. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.